Welcome to the Chatelier's Principal Lab. This is the first part of the lab, which will involve an equilibrium between the chromate ion, which is yellow colored, and the dichromate ion, which is orange colored. And this is all going to be done in aqueous solution. So first of all, we're going to get a test tube, and we're going to add to it some potassium chromate. And you can see the yellow color, I think, pretty easily. Just as a note, the potassium is a spectator ion for purposes of this experiment. So we're only going to care about the chromate ion, which is the yellow colored ion. So we can see we have a lot of chromate ion in here. And now we have a system in equilibrium, and we are going to add a stress to the equilibrium system, and our stress is going to be some concentrated hydrochloric acid, and the key thing is this is going to be the hydrogen ion. So you can probably predict what might happen, and we will also add and see what happens. So add a couple drops of the hydrochloric acid, so we've added some hydrogen ion to the system, and you should note the observations you get and what this means. Okay, so now the next thing is we've disturbed our equilibrium system. It's established a new equilibrium. It has this orange color. And now we will disturb it again, this time by adding some sodium hydroxide. So we'll add some sodium hydroxide, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops. We'll see if that was enough to do anything. And yep, it looks like we have changed our equilibrium system again. So again, make your observations and explain what it means. And a key thing to note, we added the sodium hydroxide. The sodium is a spectator ion. We're adding hydroxide. That's the key thing. And do note, hydroxide is not actually part of the equilibrium system. So you'll have to deduce what effect the hydroxide has and why that explains what you observed take place. And then we'll do one more thing. We've disturbed the equilibrium system twice, reestablished equilibrium twice. We'll one more time add hydrochloric acid. So a couple, 3 drops of hydrochloric acid. And once again, we've changed the equilibrium system in response to a stress. Once again, explain what is going on. And then we could conceivably keep on doing this for a while, but we'll stop after these steps.